Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm super excited to dive into something special. It's 2024 Hot Wheels premium car culture Mazda RX-3. It's a little diecast car which is a must-have for every collectors and the car enthusiast out there. So let's jump right into it. First off, can we take a moment to appreciate the graphics on the car? They give such a cool nod to Japan. Now, let's get the RX-3 out. Wow, look at that bright yellow and the green color. It's absolutely striking. Attention to the detail is phenomenal. And check out those sleek lines and the classic racing decals. They really capture the vintage vibes. And can we talk about the feel? The metal body gives it a sturdy premium touch. And the wheels roll smoothly, which is perfect for the both display and play. I think the Hot Wheels has really nailed the realism here, with the details on the front grille, headlights, and taillights that make it pop. And now, let's take a quick moment to appreciate the real Mazda RX-3. Produced from 1971 to 1978. It's a classic sports car, which is a legendary. With its unique rotary engine and the lightweight design, it's a favorite among the motorsport collectors. So let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts about Mazda RX-3? Thanks for tuning in, you're all amazing, and let's connect and share our passion for the cars together. As you all know, creating these videos takes a lot of effort and research, and I can't thank you all enough for your support. So if you are enjoying this review so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because your support truly means the world to me and helps keep this channel thriving. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.